How to fix 100% disk usage on Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Heading towards very first solution, at the bottom left corner you will find this search box. Over there type in run and search for it. Once it appears, click on it and then type in over there services.msc and search for it. With that you will land to this kind of windows. Now scroll all the way down and search for the file sigmain. After you find it, right click on it. Click on the option properties. Now head towards this option of status type, click on the drop down and set it to disable. Click on OK. After you disable it, now let's jump into the next solution. For that, open your Files Explorer app. Under PC, you will be able to find your local disk. You have to right click on it. Click on the option properties. Click on the option tools. Now over here you will find this option check. Click on it. Click on scan drive. It is in the process, it's gonna take some time. Likewise, click on this option of optimize. Now click on the option of change settings. Uncheck for this option and click on OK. You have just turned off the optimization drivers. Once you do that, you can head back. Now you can right click on the start icon and head towards the task manager. Now head towards the performance section and you can check the disk usage. With that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix 100% disk usage on Windows 10 or 11. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.